So good morning everybody. It's from Jayshree. I am going to take number system and logic gates. I am going to take the topic about ones complement and twos complement of a binary number. So let us see in detail what do you mean by ones complement and twos complement of a binary number. So ones complement of a binary number. So ones complement of a number is represented by 0, 111. Okay. So if you take the ones complement after execution of this ones complement, so the 1 are changed into 0 and zeros are changed into 1. Okay. So let us see here the example of ones complement is let us take the 4 digit. Okay. 0, 1, 1. Okay. So if you take the ones complement, zeros are converted into ones and ones are converted into zeros. Okay. So here the first digit is converted, 0 is converted to 1 and 1 is converted to 0. Again 1 is converted to 0, third bit, and fourth bit is also converted to 0. So finally we get the ones complement digit as 1,000,000. Okay. So this is what the ones complement of a binary number. Next, let us see what is the twos complement of a binary number. In a twos complement representation of the binary number, the MSB represents the sign with 0 used for plus sign and 1 used for minus sign. It's okay. There are two types of numbers, right? Positive and negative number. So if it is a positive number, it is represented by 0, and if it is a negative number, it is represented by 1. So let us see this with the example. Let us take the twos complement of the number. Okay. So the twos complement of the same 4 digit number, which is already seen in this ones complement. Okay. 0, 111. So here let us see this twos complement of the number 0, 111. So if you take the twos complement, the result of ones complement is plus 1 is added to the twos complement, then we get this twos complement. Okay. So ones complement of 0, 1, 1 is 1, 0, 0, 0. So here the ones complement of the number is 1, 000. Okay. If you add this ones complement plus 1, we get this twos complement of a binary number. Okay. So this is what this twos complement of a number. So the result of this ones complement is 1, 000. If you add 1 at the last digit, okay, from the right side you need to add this number. So 1000, that is 1,000,000, 1000 plus 1. So we get this 1001. So normally we represent the digit as the 1000, but in binary number we call it as 1000. Okay. So finally we get the twos complement representation of the number 1001. Next one. So this is what the application of ones complement, twos complement. So ones complement is simply a bitwise NOT gate. It's like an inverter, right? What is the performance of the inverter, right? If the current is if there is a power supply, it grasps the power, and if there is no power, it will send the output. So similarly here, if it is 0, it is 1. If it is 1, it is 0. There is NOT wise operation. It performs the NOT gate operations. Okay. Next one, twos complement is used to represent the signed integers, but it obeys the rules of addition and subtraction. Okay. So twos complement is the most commonly used representation, because in ones complement there is no sign representation, whereas in twos complement it is a representation of positive and negative number. So here the twos complement is most commonly used to represent the signed integers because it obeys the rules of addition and subtraction. If you add 1 to 1, 1, 1, 1, you get 0, 0, 0. So that is what this representation of twos complement number. Okay. Next one is what? Twos complement is most common method of representing positive, negative and 0. Integers on computers and more generally fixed point binary values. Twos complement uses the binary digit with a grade place or value is assigned to indicate whether the binary number is positive or negative. Okay, that's all about this ones complement, twos complement number. So ones complement is just it converts zeros and ones to zeros, whereas twos complement is what If you take the result of 1's complement plus 1 is added, the result of the 1 is added to the 1's complement, we get the result of 2's complement. Okay, that is what this 2's complement of a number. So thank you all.